What kind of views him can give nobody, boy? You want to him hypocrite friend, let me tell you something. One thing anybody can't talk about me, you know, then can't say NinjaMan and cokehead, boy. You can't say about me, so me chat who no like it. Who no can go call me cokehead and cuss me anytime me tell you this. Alkaline is nothing but a piece of crap. Because as a youth, I come from the university and go to college. I'm supposed to teach people better than when I teach people.
Did he actually go to college?
No, he spent like a year and left.
You're lucky. Me never come in no class. Oh, and him get for song in a class in for 1 year and come back out and teach people foolishness. Eh?
What do you think about the rumor say him turned out 2.5 million?
A lie! Leng not him want to pay me that. What's the idiot? Hype what? And all these things, some of them artists, yeah, it's too stupid. You understand? Because if you turn down $2.5 million, are the people if you know that the promoter if you cuss and say that where you are going to tell the public for, that means that you look hype. And you see the man come out and look hype. You know. Them publicity stunt. Not just like how they say dentist fly down for fix gully bap teeth and after I show done gully dentist, the gully bap missing my appointment and the teeth can't fix it, the appointment can't make back on now.
She just come promote her dentistry. Is her dentist?
The woman not even come and can do nothing.
Well, we are conspiracy theorists, so that all them things they know how to believe. NinjaMan, I think this is officially
the longest
interview we ever do. We have to give thanks, pay respect to you.
That's all you do, me pay me respect. You never give me $1 yet.
I know, style. We have to buy dinner and something like a beer of his choice.
Oh.
Like so.
Yo. What kind of beer you buy me?
I go buy it.
I can tell you something.
Yeah.
The only beer you can buy me is a polar beer and then can't live in Jamaica.
Alright.
Because I don't drink no farmer alcohol.
That means that any, not even like
before,
any.
No, I spent 10 years to smoke cocaine now. I stopped that more than 15 years ago. And from me stop, I decide say if you're gonna kick a habit, it not spend a sense to go to another one. You understand me? Because if you're left chemical abuse and go to alcohol, that means you never really want to stop. You just want to hide yourself from the disgrace. But I can give a joke.
Socially
alcohol have a bigger disgrace than even the cocaine. Because when you smoke the cocaine, you hide and nobody no see it. When your teeth, your mouth start swag like when Cara miss and patrol and you start getting maga down. At that time, people start realize. But I can give you a joke. The worst disgrace you're having is when you have it now yourself. Can you imagine you drink a Porsche for Hennessy and when you go home and press your remote so, and open your gate and drive in, when you go pull the grill you feel upset. You vomit, you lie down in the vomit and you pit bull them and Rottweiler and lick up the vomit from around your mouth. And
getting pretty graphic here.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that happen to rum drinker. A woman who have a man who smoke cocaine, she want to get back her husband attention. So that's all she fret about. When a woman have a rum bumper, she want to get rid of that man out of the house. You ever smell rum from it?
That's so true. That's so true.
No woman want a rum bumper out of the house.
Yeah.
When a woman have a man who used to smoke cocaine, all that attention where the cocaine take from she would have tried everything to get back the man to give her that attention. So the only thing where she want him to do, come off of that cocaine. But when you start drink rum and the rum start take all of your life, the woman want to get rid of you, she want to get rid of the rum scent, she want to get rid of the rum vomit, she want to get rid of the rum life, and she want to get rid of something where rum make work. We don't know. Alright, that's how I leave.
That's erectile dysfunction.
Alright people, a NinjaMan, a nightly fix.
You know it's Dam also known as Random Guy. You know representing for the 90 Fix, Addictively Entertaining Radio. I'm going to tell you this right about now. I just want to know for subscribe.
Whoa!
Don't forget to subscribe.
Alright, brother.
People also like us on Facebook.
Yes. This is a serious video today, man. NinjaMan shares views on Mr. Ling, promoter of his thing. He's the artist he like. In them time, 2014, he shared his views on Alkaline, Gully Bop, certain artists, you know. So, yeah, man, leave in the comments what you think about that one. Very entertaining again. As always, NinjaMan, you know. So yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave your comments. And look again for the next video coming tomorrow, as always. Give time.
I nice to let them arise and let my enemies scatter. Let them that hate me flee before me. I smoke in the way, so drive my way. As wax melt before the fire, so the wicked person bring of God. Let the righteous be glad and exalted that and God sings praise him and extol the red find the evidence like them. Jah! I should have been a fatherless. I nice to black people, me turn someone of them. Men, yes, I'm reality no one. Saluted and God again. Let me tell you what reality needs. Saluted and God again. Simpleton, me shout out to last year. Near where the heathen calling. Pin them and one pin them. Shout out to last year. And them don't know the meaning. Simpleton, tell them again, man. Me shout out to last year. Near where some of the singers them calling. Hey boy, let me tell you, say last year. And them don't know the meaning. Yes, from the other day, me see one simple system. Every man and nothing at your head top and thing. That's the things that don't come as and rasta doctrines. Yet to Almighty God said them not decide pitch him. And shout to last year, I didn't want Bentley driving. But to last year, I didn't want big house to live in. But to last year, I didn't want money for spending. And shout to last year, to them love the muggling. But last year, name is not a money making. When me shout out to last year, Almighty God, ninja calling. Pin them in the one, pin them in the shout out.